In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient in button in ClickFunnel. We're going to walk through the easiest way to do this using the pre-designed button templates that are already built into ClickFunnels. This method is perfect if you don't want to mess with custom code or complicated design settings, but still want your buttons to stand out with modern gradient, bordered, or even 3D effects. First, open up your funnel page inside the ClickFunnels editor. Once you're in the page editor, look for the button you want to style. Click directly on that button element so its settings panel opens on the side. You'll know you've selected it correctly when you see options specifically related to the button, such as text, size, and alignment. Next, inside that button settings panel, look for the tab labeled Templates. This is where ClickFunnels stores a collection of ready-made button designs. Go ahead and click on the Templates tab, and you'll see a list or grid of different button styles you can choose from. Now, take a moment to browse through the available templates. As you scroll, you'll notice that several of these designs already include gradient backgrounds, as well as bordered and 3D style effects. These built-in gradients are designed to look professional right out of the box, so you don't need to worry about picking exact color codes or creating your own gradient from scratch. When you find a gradient button style you like, simply click on that template. As soon as you do, ClickFunnels will apply that design instantly to your selected button on the page. You'll see the change happen right away in the editor, so you can quickly decide if you want to keep it or try a different option. After the gradient has been applied, you're not locked into the default look. You can further customize the button under the Settings and Advanced tabs for that same button element. In the standard settings, you can adjust things like the button text, font, size, alignment, and basic colors to better match your brand or the rest of your page. If you want more control, head into the Advanced tab. Here, you can fine-tune spacing, add shadows, tweak corners, and dial in the overall style so the gradient button feels perfectly integrated with your design. Take a moment to preview your page, and once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes.